What's going on, Street Trip Drip Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is another video on top of the video that we're doing from the video that's going to be done tomorrow. You like that? But anyway, today our video is going to be getting into doing a detail on my car. I hit up one of the local detailers around, and I'm going to give him a chance, give him a shot, clean up your boy's car, get me nice and get me ready for tomorrow. So that's going to be exciting. And then also on the second half of the video, I have my boy Craig come out, and he's going to help me put on that 034 PCV hose that I've been, trying to do for like time now, and it wouldn't work. So that's going to be the second half of the video. So hope you guys are ready for this. Something a little different. As always, stick around. All right, guys. So as we mentioned, we got the car out here. It's getting ready to get touched up. Gonna get his own surgery pretty much. And we got the Wizards over here. So she's gonna go ahead and introduce herself, tell you guys what she does and where you guys can find her so you guys can link up. And I'm gonna show you guys before and after on the car so you could see the work that they put in. Magical, guys. So where can they find you?
Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm Barbie Details on Instagram, and we're a premium mobile detailing company.
Where can they find you?
You can find me on social media as Barbie Details and
Certified Detailing. We're together. Jonathan, Certified Detailing. Jessica, Barbie Details.
There you go, guys. So I'm going to put a link in the video below so you guys can contact them and just see the phenomenal work that they can do on your car. But it's always so good to support local businesses, and I wanted to reach out to them and definitely give them that support. So you guys should too.
Thank you.
Guys, check this out. So wheel number 1 is done. Look at this. I haven't seen it that clean since I bought it. Sheesh. Crazy. Only the beginning. And that's a telltale sign of somebody knows what they're doing. Wheels first, then you do the rest of the car. If you don't know, now you know.
Really nice. Like, he's a good kid.
Guys, so check this out. So we're not even using a foam cannon. We're not even using a foam spray. Look at this. Sheesh. Rinseless wash.
Rinseless wash.
Way better than the foam wash and killing it. So crazy.
So convenient. So
If you know, you know. Guys, a chemist over here. There you go, guys. Check it out. Ooh, wheels are looking magnificent right there.
Oh, damn.
So crazy. Oh yeah, she clean. She ready. Yes, sir. Guys, check this out. Top secret ingredient going to work here. Look at that. You see the gloss. Don't act like you don't see it. Damn, this is nuts. Look like I got PPF'd. Sheesh. No games, guys. Come on, get yourself right. You need them in your life. All right, quick update, guys. We had to pull it into the garage so we won't get pollen because it's pollen season. But man, I don't know if that's coming out. Ooh, look at the wheels though. They put in work on this. So clean right now. Love the way that thing came out. All angles. And like I said, with this treatment on it, it actually looks like PPF. Look at that, the way the light is bouncing off of it. So sick. Guys, check this out. I don't know if you can see it yet, but I'm gonna show you. So this is where he just applied the secret and chemical. But look at this.
Damn,
That's the pollen. You see the difference? Damn. Big difference right there. My pet peeve is windows, and this thing is looking crazy. All right, guys. So you saw the work that they put in. Man, a killer duo right here. I'm telling you. One does interior, one does exterior, but don't play. She could do both if she wants to. But man, I got to tell you guys, hands down, one of the craziest details I've seen to date on my car. Wheels look like it just came from the factory.
Nice.
Insane. So tell them where to find you guys again.
Jonathan certified_detail on Instagram. Jessica Barbie Details.
All right. There you go, guys. Whenever you need it, I'm telling you, I'm putting it down in the description. Make sure you follow them on Instagram, and make sure you hit them up so you can get your detail as well. Because trust me, you need that, but you don't know you need it.
12 seconds later.
Original bad man here.
Real bad man.
Putting in his work. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So we got the man of the hour. Man, I'm telling you, I'm making it look easy now because he just got here and it's already almost off. So this is the one that we're about to put on now, which is this 034. Got the new setup, and it's a bigger hose, and it should give no issues, hopefully, in the future. There it is, guys. We finally got it off. Man, battling it, put in some work. Damn near need another Red Bull to get that thing out. But it's out. Look at that.
Oh.
So now we got to swap it out. What is it?
It's because this piece broke off. That's why.
Oh.
This piece right here.
Yeah.
It broke off, so you can't clip it to like open the clip. That's why it wouldn't come off.
Okay.
See, like these.
Yeah, because you normally you're supposed to just pinch and pull.
Yeah, pinch and pull.
That's what everybody on the YouTube was saying. They made it look easy. I'm telling you guys, as you can see, it was not easy.
Yeah, but.
All right, guys. So we got the new hose going in. Should be easy peasy for the most part. It's not that plastic. It's like a hard rubber style, so it's easy to maneuver and get that in.
Let me put some. Might wanna. We have to maybe reposition this. All right, then we gotta go right here.
Gotta
Make
get
sure
that to click in.
Get this click in. So we put some rubber care on it just to make it go in smooth, so it doesn't rip
There we
the
go.
O-rings. So there
That
you
should
go.
be nice and tight.
You're locked in.
Yep.
Yeah, you're locked in right now.
And then that one's locked in.
Yeah, this locked
then
in, that locked
The
in.
main piece up here, that one's locked in.
Yeah,
So all we gotta
so-
do is pretty much tighten it down now.
So all you gotta do, all you gotta do is